Hi, it's Kylie, and I want to tell you a little about how to use Beauty by Earth's dry shampoo and volumizing powder. It's certified organic and doesn't have any butane or propane like those spray dry shampoos. Just shake it out of the bottle and you're good to go. There are a lot of ways you can use this stuff. Put it directly on your hair, squeeze it on a hairbrush, or dab a little on an old makeup brush. Whatever floats your boat. The important part is to get all the places you're seeing the most oil. Start working in at your roots where the oiliness is. Keep it away from your hair part though. That'll keep you from getting all the light powdery residue. Give your shampoo a couple minutes to work its magic, then follow up with a boar bristle brush. Just brush your hair out, then style as normal. Oh, and if you see any oily bits left, just add a little more shampoo. No big deal. But wait, there's more. Your dry shampoo can also give you a little extra volume. Start out by adding a small amount to your roots, go section by section, starting at the crown of your head and working down. Use your fingers to rub back and forth against your scalp to spread out the powder. Then separate out your curls if you have curls. You can also use it to add volume to braids. Super helpful, especially if you have fine hair. Just braid your hair, sprinkle on a little powder down the center, pat it into the braid, then stretch it out. There you go, just a few of the many ways you can get the most out of your dry shampoo. Have fun!